Hi everyone, just a really quick video. This is a crypto video. I haven't done one for a while because crypto's kind of just been trading flat. Okay, when it trades flat, what I try to do is work out, okay, are we going to go down a little bit or a lot? Or are we going to have a big pump? Or are we going to keep trading flat? Because in the period that it's trade flat, okay, it's usually a sign that nobody's really doing anything. Nobody's selling, nobody's buying, and it's a good time to add little bits. But I've logged on today and it's dropped just a tad, okay? But there's certain like top 10 coins that really need look there. To me, what it looks like is it's too cheap. It's too cheap not to add some to, okay? So I'll just go through a couple. We've got Bitcoin sitting at 85,000. Now, I always talk in American dollars, okay? Some of my viewers are American, but it's just easier for me to talk American dollars with everything I do. It just ticked to 86,000 right then. So it's really too cheap not to add some, you know. I'm probably just going to throw probably $300 or $400 onto it. Remember, I already do have a bag, so you know, there's monies in there. Ethereum under 3 grand, I do like. If it goes under 3 grand in the last year, I've always added some, so I'll probably put another 200 on that. XRP is a very interesting one. Now, remember, XRP did get up to $3.80. We're down now at we're down now to $1.89. Now, I was only saying to my brother yesterday, he texted me and said, hey, like XRP is really low. And I went, yeah, it has been lower. So if it gets to $1.80, let's start buying again. It's at $1.89. I'm going to throw $200 onto it because I just feel it's just too cheap. The cheapest I did get XRP in the last year was $1.69. So I was really happy with that. But look, it did get to, like you can see here, it did get to $3.84 at the peak, okay? It will get to that again, okay? So if you buy now at $1.89, you're going to double your money, all right? Solana's always good under $130. Oh, I really doubt you will get Solana under 120 ever again. And now look at that. It did go to nearly $300. So you can nearly 3 times your money from buying some Solana right now. Dogecoin at 12 cents. Well, it did get to 73 cents. Look, Doge, even though I don't like it, it will have a pop because Elon Musk has to just say something about Doge and it'll pop. Cardano, as much as I don't like Cardano, like look at it, 38 cents. It was at $3. If you bought today and it went back to the all-time high, which it probably will do at some stage. Okay, I'm not saying that this could happen in a week, a month, a year. It could take 4 years. It could be the next big bull cycle. They're usually every 4 years, but you'll 10 times your money. So if you put $1,000 into that today, into Cardano, right, and it got back to the $3, you've made $30,000 in profit. That's massive. Sui, any Sui under $1.45 is good. I did see it about a week ago at $1.30. So probably wouldn't add any of that. Shiba Inu, I've just given up on, okay? Whatever I've got in Shiba Inu now is just going to sit, and I'm in the hope that one day it will come back. So, you know, I haven't lost any money on it. What my money's, it's just sitting there stagnant. So we'll just let that ride. Teo was a good one. I did make some big money on Teo. You can see here it went to $767 just there. I sold out at I think 680, and then look at it now, 265. So I did make some good money on that. Could be a buyback in, but I'd probably like to see it at under 250. Ondo, another one I did make some good money on, and it's at 40 cents. I like that. I like Ondo at 40 cents because it usually sits around $1. And as you can see there, it did get to $2. So that'd be it. The only other one I'd really look at for now is Pudgy Penguin. It's down. Well, there you go. If it gets back to what it was, you can 5 times your money. I did sell out of my Pudgy Penguin because it did get up high, and I went, I'm not leaving $4,000 profit sitting there. And if I didn't sell at that time, I would have lost all that money because it's down to 1 cent now. Okay, I'll leave it at there, guys. That's just a quick update of what I'm doing on crypto. Just putting some little bits of money in. Okay, when I say little bits, I usually work on $100 lots now. But the beauty of crypto is you can put 10 bucks in. You could pick the top 20 coins here, all these, from 1 down to 20, and you could just put $10 on them. And if they drop, put another $10 on. Okay, you're not spending absorbent amounts of money. Okay, I've just got to the stage where I don't have to do the $10 anymore because I started this 5 years ago. So I've built more resilience, and I do $100 lots now. Okay, but then when I sell $100 lots as well. Okay, so that's just one way to build your wealth up a little bit. Just put $10. Okay, then when you've got a bit more resilience, you can go, I've got a little bit behind me now. I could put $20 each time, and now I could do $30, and that's all I did. And when I thought when I got to the $50, I'm like, oh man, I've made it now. I'm really, I'm really doing this. But now I'm in $100 lots, and like I said before, I'll probably put 200 on Ethereum, 200 on Bitcoin, 200 on XRP. But that's just because they're at stages of the prices where I really like. Okay. Thanks very much for watching, guys. Please like if you haven't. Like the video and subscribe if you haven't, and go up and look at these videos.